We've talked before about how sharing your data and collaborating on the insights that you find brings much more value to that data. And you can do that from right here within the Power BI mobile applications. So for example, for any of these dashboards or reports, I can tap and hold or right click on them and invite people directly to this dashboard. Type in their email address and they'd be able to, it would show up then in their list of dashboards, just the same as doing that through the service. I can do the same thing from within one of these dashboards as well. If I open up one of these tiles, I've got an option to invite people from up on the top right-hand corner as well. The same thing applies for the Windows Phone mobile applications as well. So from here, just on the list of dashboards and reports, I can tap and hold one of these and choose to invite somebody directly. Or I can click through to one of the tiles and I see a little invite button at the bottom. One thing I can also do on both the desktop and mobile applications is share an insight from a particular tile or visual that we found. So for example, here, I'm seeing there's a real decline towards the end of this year. So I can hit that share button in the bottom right-hand corner. And now it'll use any of the Windows sharing applications to allow you to email somebody with an image of that tile, or send it through a message, or even share it on Facebook or Twitter if you really wanted to do that. So I'm going to share it through my Microsoft account, and you'll see an email gets generated with the visual from that tile embedded in it. And I can add in an email address and put any comments or anything along with this when I share it to one of my colleagues. The iPhone application's even better. Let's take a look at that one. So here, when I'm looking at a particular tile within a dashboard, let's take this gross margin one again. Not only can I hit this little icon in the top right-hand corner to share, but I actually get a chance to edit the image before it gets shared. So I can start drawing on this. I can circle particular areas that are of interest, or I can type text. And I can use things like little smiley indicators or arrows or whatever to point out particular problems as well. So now when I hit send again, this will give me the same options to choose how I want to go and share this, whether I want to email it or save it as a note or whatever it might be. So I can actually start annotating these things before I send them off to my colleagues. So sharing those insights that you've found using the mobile applications is really, really simple and really, really powerful.